Hi everyone, I'm Laura from NCL and I'm really excited to be able to talk to you today about our brand new offering, NCL's new Free at Sea. So what is Free at Sea and what is it about? It's all about giving your customers more choice and more flexibility, almost to be able to bespoke and choose what they want out of their holiday. It's very simple. Whichever guest chooses, whichever category, whichever grade, they simply pay just £99 per person to receive 2 free amazing packages out of 5. So let's look at these packages individually. We've got our premium beverage package that you all know and all love, our specialty dining package, our Wi-Fi package of up to 250 minutes per stateroom, our shore excursion package and our friends and family offering. If guests that travel in the Haven or the concierge suites, they are lucky they get all 5 of those benefits. So let's look at these benefits in a bit more detail each. So we have our premium beverage package that you all know and you all love. Literally every drink you could possibly think of is included. All of your premium branded alcoholic drinks, your spirits, your cocktails, your mocktails, your beers, your wines, your Prosecco is all included within this package. Don't forget, in terms of the value, it's amazing, up to $693 if you were to purchase this on board. So it's outstanding value to just the £99. Next is our specialty dining package. Great if you've got customers that love the foodies, love the dining experiences on our specialty restaurants on board. They can sample that. For 7 to 8 nights, they get 3 dining experiences. And again, the value is outstanding. If they were to purchase that on board, it would be worth $89 per person. Next, we have our internet package. Great if you've got customers that love to stay connected whilst at sea. If they want to post and put pictures of their amazing holiday on social media, they can. And what we're offering with this package is up to 250 minutes per stateroom. Just bear in mind that only applies to the first passenger in the stateroom, so only 1 device and login. Next we have our shore excursion package. Great if you've got customers that really want to explore and get off the beaten track when they're at their port of call. And this will give them $50 per port per stateroom to sample and choose any shore excursion of their choice. So again, it's fantastic value for money. Our family and our friends offering, something very, very different but really good value, is guests 3 and 4 would only ever pay the taxes. That's it, just the taxes. For guests 5 and 8, they would just pay the normal current cruise fare. So how do you book it as travel trade partners? It's very, very simple. You'll see there we have got a long list of all of our promotions. Don't worry, I'm not going to go through all of them individually. But you'll see there, just as an example, our dining package and our beverage package shows there, but it will show the description. These will all become very, very clear in the booking journey on our Sea Web system as you go through. So this is our Sea Web system that you all use and you all love. Once your guests have chosen what category they'd like to purchase, all you would need to do is go to the current promotion and select the promotion against that category. It will then take you through to the next screen where it will list all of the different promotions that fall within that offering. And just bear in mind that that only does apply to the first and second guest. So just make sure you're ticking both of those guests there for that particular promotion. At the bottom, new for us, guests do have the option to opt in or opt out of our service charges prepay as well. So just tick the boxes in the system. Once you're happy with everything, all you need to do is just apply the promotions there, and then that will take you onto the final page, which is the important page, which is the pricing. All I would say is just make sure that the promotions are against each of the passengers, first and second passenger, and that everything looks and you're happy. At the top there, just to help you, it does show those promotion descriptions as well, so you'll know exactly what it is you're selecting. And that's it. So, in summary, Free at Sea, less unpacking, more perks. Just for £99 per person, guests will receive up to 2 amazing free offers. It starts on the 2nd of April. Good luck. Thank you.